Okay, YouTube channel, we are back in Orange. Nike outlet, here to make a return as well as make a little trade. Let's go. And of course, lines are crazy here. I swear this and Citadel tend to be the craziest lines. Oh my goodness, it goes way far back. I actually did make a trade, so y'all will see that at the end. Line is crazy long. Man, everybody trying to get that 30% off. All right, let's look around the back wall. And I do have a friends and family coupon. Appreciate the homie that hooked me up with that. So yes, I am looking. I am on the prowl. I do have a couple weeks to use it, so I think at least maybe a week and a half to use it. But yeah, these are size 9, 130 for these. And I'm primarily checking the 9.5s because yeah, I already bought a couple pair of sneakers this month, so I'm looking for some family, friends, and stuff like that, especially with the friends and family coupon. 210 for those, way too much. Air Max 97s, 140 for those, size 9. GT Jumps, 9.5, $150. 145 for these mother lovers right here. That's just too much for the 36 lows. Size 9 Blazer low acronyms going for 70. Jordan 2s, these have been on sale everywhere, but not here, $150. 150 for these as well. Size 10 right here, Dunk mids, $115 for those. This is like a canvas one, like a nylon one. What the hell? I was like, they got some these new things, 105 for those. I did meet up with one of the homies, Leo. He said he found some 4s here, the olive 4s. He grabbed that for 30% off. I ain't even mad at him for that. Yes, I'm moving to the smaller sizes. Dude, got the undefeated 37s right there, $150, normally 2 bills. Got these right here, $90. 90 freaking dollars. That's what's up, especially with that 30 off. That's what, 63 bucks after. That's what's up. I was like, what Air Max 1s are these? The hell, I've never seen that colorway. $170 for those, size 8.5. Of course, another one of these Sakai's. Have been seeing a ton of these, size 8, $100. Nike by You right here. Terra Kigers. These don't look like Nike by You. I don't know. Maybe they just ran out the box. $115 for those. $35 for the Asuna 2 slides. Remember these? Used to be hella expensive. Another 30 off. That's under 30 bucks. Not bad. Mids right here in the smaller size. Ooh, size 11. I'm in the size 8 section. $125 for those. Oh, I was like, what the hell? 4.5 right here. And then 5.5 right here. $155 for those. All right, let's go see what's up. Oh, excuse me. All right, let's go see what's up with the bigger sizes. Packed. It's packed. Man. I just saw one of these, what, for 79 or something? It's a 130 for the 9.5 right here. I wonder which one's mismarked. I have found some crazy deals because things are mismarked. So yeah, Nike's really good with that. So $170 for these, way too much. Got a ton of Jordan 2s, multiple colorways, mids, Air Force One mids right here, 120. The Sakai Blazers right here. Oh, the acronym Blazers, my bad. The acronym Blazers being given away for $35. That's after the discount, 50 minus 30. Trying to do the math for you guys. Trying to do the math. 170 for these Air Max 1 premiums right here. Balancing on one leg right there for you guys. I'm like a circus clown and for you guys. Circus clown trying to get as much sneaker footage for y'all. $100 for the 10.5. Got some Sakai 10.5s right here, going for $100. Y'all got me balancing on one leg, being a circus clown and stuff. Got another pair. Got a few right here for 100. Did I say 100? For $50, and then 9.5 right here, $180. Moving up to the 11s, 2 bills for the 6s right there. Just saw someone grab some Jordan 1 low. What is this? The Royal Toes? Royal Toes. They're not the OGs, but just the regular ones. They got me with these, man. Jordan MVPs, bastards. Saw the cement boxing right there, but yeah, $140 for those. $130 for the Jordan 1 low OGs right there. Forgot those have that sale midsole. What are these down here? What the hell are these? Oh, the Fly E's. I was like, what is this? Does it look different on the back? I was like, what is that? All right, and $120 for those. Penny 2s in a size 12, going for $1.50. The Be True Air Max 97s. These have been on sale everywhere. $150. Here's some, oh, Pegasus Trail 3s with the Gore-Tex 130. Size 13s. You got the AJKO Jordan 1 highs right here. Yeah, they're $110 for those. More of the acronyms in the smaller sizes. Size 13, another one of these Jordan 1 Fly-E's. Air Force 1 low. And the black right here, is the acronym ones? They look like it, I don't know. But yeah, $130 for those. Size 14. Dunk high mids, these are 12 in the bigger size right here, $115. Got blazers here for Big Feet Gang, $60. Wow, that's hella cheap. And then these huge things right here, size 18, who knows the price. All right, I'm gonna have to go stand through the aisles and then, holy crap, am I gonna have to go stand in line? Maybe you know what? I think I'm gonna go to another outlet like later this week and do my return. The line's just huge, kind of too huge. We got some Westbrook Take 1s right here. Got some Golf 6 colorway right here, go for way too much. Jordan 1 high golf as well. P6000, I swear this is a colorway that we've been seeing at Ross. Man, another one right here, go for full price. Be patient if you guys want any sneaker right now, man. LeBron Next Gens, starting to get that 30% off. Mock SP undercovers, just weird. Material's just super soft though, but just weird. $70 for those. Got a camo right there, digital camo. Dunk high 85s right here. Trainer 1s. I saw these cheap as hell at Chic. They were cheaper than this, even with the sale. These are going down in price as well. Cosmic Unity 2s. Got a couple of those. They're gonna keep falling. OG Cosmic Unities right here. Witness 7s. Multiple colorways. Some are dropping in price. Zoom Freak 5s. Air Max 2017. Air Max 97 SEs. Another one right there. Air Force 1s. Orange one right here. Air Max 90s. I just saw this on sale, I think. Was that at Champs? Dude got some blazers. All kinds of blazers. Some suede ones right here. An 80 for these, and you get another 30 off. Air more up tempo, starting to go down in price. Some Terminators. Got Billie Eilish Forces going down in price. Dunk highs. Got some Dunk lows with the premium suede on it. Got a couple of them. They're both monochrome, which I'm just not a fan of. More blazers right here, an all suede. Got some jumbos, some regular premium ones. Then another one right here. I'm keeping an eye on the line over here. The line came out all over here earlier. All right, back to the aisles. Dude got some Kukunis. I'm even skipping over a bunch of things because there's so much stuff here. 2017s. Another one of the Air Max 2017s. 97 USA colorway right here. Starting to see them discounted. Terra Escape Air Max 90s. I just saw one of the workers tell a customer, hey, they can't stack the new 50% off Nike member discount with the 30% off the back wall. Is that something new? That must be new because I have not heard that. All right, they just got one little rack of the clearance apparel. That's it here? Oh, okay, I didn't think that was right. All right, they do got clearance apparel right here. Got 5 racks total, I believe. Okay. And then finally see a 4091, and it's a Garoppolo, man. This is a throwback one too. This is what, 97, I think. And yeah, man, it has to be a Garoppolo, dog. Really? Yeah, this fool. Worthless. Dang it, $150. Then at least you get 40 off. I wouldn't get Garoppolo though. Maybe Jeff Garcia, but not Garoppolo. Dang, now that I think about it, I need to hit up one of the homies. God dang it. My bad, Drum. I'll get back to you. But yeah, $145 for this. Tech fleece right here. This is an XL tall though. San Diego, they call it Slam Diego, I guess, for baseball. $35 for that one. Nike Track Club jacket right here. This is small, $100. This is the shorts that I did see a while back. These are really fire, dude. They're going for a full 100. Dang, I almost grabbed these at the clearance store and I didn't because they were kind of short, and then I didn't like the material. It's just too thick of a material, kind of like a khaki material, but it does have the premium metal aglets right there, the lace tips, which are freaking nice. $100 though, man. $60 after discount. Still took way too much. Dang, I can't even get my words out apparently, man. There's just not much here. These are pretty nice. Kind of baggy though, but that's what's coming back, right? Double XL, $90 for those. Super thick, super nice material. And they got this tech fleece one right here for $140. That tech fleece be hella expensive. Got some shorts that are slacks, kind of like slacks for golf. $45 for those. Got some actual slacks right here for golf. And yeah, those are $50. Normally $75, and you get an extra 40% off. So pretty solid finds. Not too crazy though. Checking out another one of these clearance racks right here. $65 double XL. This is one of the more premium hoodies right here. Royal Tree camo hoodie. That's pretty thin. $30 with 40 off. Wow, that's cheap. You need to go hiding somewhere if you need that camo. Nice thick hoodie right here. This is hella big though. Triple XL. No price tag. Nice basic hoodie right here. Not so thick, but $45. Not so cheap. Not so expensive either. So pretty solid price. All right, I was gonna do my return, but look at the line here. Line is just crazy, and this is before the amusement park up there, the zigzag stuff. So shoot, you know what? I'd rather stop by a couple of spots instead of waiting in line right here. One of the last remaining finish lines. I swear, like they've converted all of them to JD now. Wait, is there? I guess there's one in Sherman Oaks. All right, let's look around here and then the Shoe Palace, and we're out. Of course, we got to see what's up with this last chance sale, whatever the hell section this is. Got the solutions right here, going for 50% off. Forum slightly discounted. What are these? The comforts. My bad. The 11 low comforts, $70 off. Dude got the Legacy 312s. Been seeing these on sale consistently. Blazers. Come on, you can do better than that right there. $50 off for these bad boys. Gazelles. Rarely ever see these discounted. And Air Max 95s right here. That's a pretty good price right there. I don't know what Pumas those are, but $30, hella cheap. Not looking super dope though. Look, they got suedes for $40 in an extra orange colorway. Romas right here. I've always liked the leather they use on these Romas. They get destroyed hella quick though. If you have any non-sneakerhead friends or family members and they just need some simple Pumas, $30, can't go wrong with that. Okay, Blazers, $60 off. This one have all kinds of material, tumble leather up top, nylon on the side panel right there, suede on the front and back. Seeing Blazers on sale everywhere, it looks like. And what are these? What are these? These look extra chunky. Looks like some sort of itineration of one of the questions. These ain't it, man. These ain't it. Shoe Palace right across the street. Do they have a bunch of boxes like right along where everybody could see them? What the hell? What the hell? That's definitely not a premium look. They're covering up their own Merry Christmas sign with all their boxes. That's weird. That does mean they have a ton of stuff. Maybe that means they have a ton of sales. I don't know. Let's look. Trey Unlimited's already down to $40. And speaking of already down to $40, the Trey Young 3s already $40. Are you serious? That's definitely the cheapest to see. This is the first colorway, but this is his latest silhouette. That is crazy that is that cheap. We definitely haven't seen anything close to that. Those Jordan 1, the reverse landings, those have been on sale everywhere. What the hell? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Some of these outlet locations definitely, Sam, I don't see many sale signs other than that Trey Young. I am barely seeing any other sale signs. It is crowded. It's crowded as hell here. But that's just the general public, man. They just don't know steals and stuff. It is what it is. All right, we're gonna wrap it up, dude. Did not get to make a return, but at least I did get that jersey. All right, I'll talk about it and I'll show you guys. So I did make the trade. The homie Leo right here, we've been talking for, I want to say, what, a couple months, right? At least a few months. Right. We've been trying to meet up. Didn't get to meet up until now. But yeah, did trade a medium for a large. And we both found ours at Ross, right? Did you find yours at Ross too? Yeah, he's a bargain hunter just like me. Found it and it ended up working out. So we both got what we needed for what? $40? $40? We're like, how do people pay retail? How do people pay retail? We're like, what the hell? We're finding stuff for $40. People paying 135 for these, like oh man. But yeah, appreciate it, doggy. I don't know about you guys. I don't even try to park in the main parking lot. I usually park on the overflow over here. You can find a pretty decent spot. They save off a bunch of spots for valet and stuff like that. So parking always a pain in the ass here, man.